Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Excel15G inventory. In its project description, in the following project you will edit a worksheet that summarizes the inventory of the bulbs and trees at the Pasadena facility. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is open the Excel workbook, student Excel15G inventory downloaded with this project. I have already opened this file. We will move to our second step. Our second step is change the theme to slice. Rename the sheet. Change the theme to slice. We will go to the themes. Here we will go to the slice themes. We will find the slice. If that's if we don't have a slice theme, we need to go to browse this one, and we will find the theme. We will get theme from here. We will copy this and paste this one in the here and open this one slice. So now slice is applied. Rename the sheet 1 as a bulbs. We'll copy this and rename the sheet 1 as a bulbs and sheet 2 as a trees. Copy this and rename the sheet 2 as a trees. And then make the bulb sheet to active sheet. Then go to the bulb sheets. That's our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, Canvas course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given the start of the video and at the end of the video, or you just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. We will move to our third step. To the right of the column B, insert two new column C and D. So we will go to the right side of the column B, that is our right size. We need to put two new column, insert one, then insert more C and D. What is he saying? By using flash fill in the two new columns, split the data in the column B item and in the C category in the column D. So we will use a flash fill. Here we will type 1239 and 1265. Then use the flash fill in the home tab. You will go to use the flash fill and you see it has got, we have got flash fill here, and here we will just type daffodils and use flash fill to get the this values here. That's our third step. Our fourth step is type item number as a column C title. We'll copy this and go to the column C. That's our column C. Type as a item number and category in the column D. I have already make this category as a column D. Delete column B by using cut and paste command. So we need to delete the column B. Delete this one. By using cut and paste command, cut column C and paste it into column G. So we will what we need to cut category. We need to cut this one. Control X and paste this one as a in the column G as a control C. Then delete the empty column C. So we need to delete the empty column C. And what is he saying? Auto fit the apply auto fit the column A to column F. So we need to select the auto fit. We will select auto fit. So it's now auto fit. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is display the trees worksheet. So we will go to the trees worksheet. That's our trees worksheet. And what is here? Then repeat the third and fourth step on this worksheet. So repeat the third and fourth worksheet. So we will here insert two columns and use flash fill here, and also in this column we will use a flash fill, not trees, and we will use a flash fill, and here we will get our this, and for this we need to rename item number and category plus this one we need to make it as a item number. Then we need to delete the column B, then cut this column by pressing Ctrl X and paste it in the column G, and then delete this column. That's our fifth step. We need to auto fit the column A to F. That's our fifth column. We need to go to sixth step. Our sixth step is make the following calculation in each of the two worksheets without grouping the worksheet. In the cell B4, enter a function to sum the quantity in the stock data. So we will go to the cell B4. Cell B4, that is our cell B4. We will put is equal to sum of the stock data. That is our stock data cell column, and press enter. So we have got the sum. Then apply comma style with the zero decimal places. We need to apply comma style with the zero decimal places. And what is he saying? In the cell B5 to B8, enter the formulas, calculate average, median, lowest, highest retail price, and then apply accounting number format. So we will go to the both. Here in this we will put average formula. We will start our bracket and we will select the retail price. We will press as equal to, we will now put is equal to median, start our brackets, then select the retail price column. In this way we have got the median, and for this we will minimum value of retail price, then close our brackets and press enter, and then put maximum value and start our bracket and select the retail price column and press enter, and then we need to apply accounting number format on this. For B5 to B8 we need to apply accounting number format, and for this one sheet we have to need to do this one same also. We will put here the sum formula to sum the quantity in the stock, press enter, then comma style with the zero decimal places, and here we need to put average for the retail price, press enter, press is equal to, and then median, start our bracket, go to the retail cell column, press enter, then is equal to minimum, start our bracket, and for the retail price need to close the bracket, and for and now maximum value we need to maximum, press select the range and press enter and apply accounting number format to the cell B5 to B8. That's our sixth step. We have total 24 steps in this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon. Or if you scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox, or if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.